Right guys, out here in South Carolina right now, absolutely gorgeous. A little on the hot side today though. Silver bullet, right?
Silver bullet.
Definitely a little hot today though. I'm like probably sweating right now. I don't even know how I look, but we're gonna head out Phil's ride. We're gonna do some data logging, make sure everything's running good with the FG2. This is the Accord. A ton of work coming for this thing. Engine stand, engine hoist. Hopefully get the SI over here soon and see what happens with that. So let's hop in the ride. Full raise, dude. It's super hot though. I'm like starting to sweat right now, man.
Like twice this though.
Wait till the summer. He's like, wait till the summertime. And I don't know, man, if I can't handle 80 degrees, how the fuck am I supposed to handle 100, dude, you know?
Have to bake out in here with me.
Bake.
It is all good.
Rocking it. Yeah, dude, it's beautiful out here, man. Batman and Robin, bro. Got the FlashPro plugged in. Always a necessity to have that. Dude, does this thing got VTEC, bro? Like...
No. I don't think it does.
B series?
I took the VTEC out.
What? You just remove the solenoid, right? That's it?
Yeah.
A lot more power, like...
Oh, man, it's unbelievable.
People actually asked me before what you're running with your current setup, like what this is, what app this is right here. All it is pretty much just a tablet.
Hondata Dash. It's
Hondata Dash. Look at how precise this is.
Yourself. That's my design.
You customize like the engine coolant temp and everything like that?
Yep.
Here in the Carolinas right now, man, I absolutely love South Carolina. Yo, can I get a ride, bro? Rips, dude. Wide open truck. 12.7, dude. Strong in the Durf tune, bro. All you gotta do is technically just rebuild the tranny eventually, which is not gonna be that big of a deal, you know? But dude, this thing, 3-inch guys, this definitely shines at top, man. That keeps pulling from like past 80. My shit just like dies, dude. Scenery everywhere, fields, man. 8th gens, dude, they will never ever get boring to drive, no matter what you have done to them. Launch control. Pulling up Phil's cribbo. About to have a tailgate party. Think she's running good, dude?
Yeah,
solid,
I feel like she's doing pretty
solid good. 12.7. I mean, there's nothing really to complain about. The only thing we gotta watch is the trans, pretty much, right?
Right.
I smell a little bit, but it seems to be doing all right. Yo, let's see if it's leaking in this spot, because I could smell it a little bit. Oh yeah, it is dripping a little bit. Tranny fluid down there. The hood popped right now, as you guys can see. He's been topping this thing off. It does have a slight leak. He fixed his valve cover right here with some like gasket maker, because in the back, right under the cam sensors on the back side of the block, the head, it was leaking down pretty bad. So you like consuming oil, dude, or not really? Was it all right?
Because not using oil, but I'm losing transmission
fluid. Let's back this thing up so we can see what it's exactly leaking underneath, dude. We'll see if it's like that bad. Good. As you guys see, he's got a couple little droplets. I mean, I thought it was gonna be a lot more aggressive personally, but it is what it is. What do you think of the summer heat, man? I mean, your boy Gerb can't deal with it right now, dude, so. Take breaks. There ain't no breaks for wrenching, right? No. Go inside, get some shade, come back out. Like, I'm about to get some water and just hydrate. Chloe, come here. Hey, babe. Come on, babe. Phil's dog is like a champ. What's up?